Are you on the hunt for the best ways to save money when purchasing hosting from Hostinger? If so, you've definitely come to the right place. To get started, simply click the link in our description to head directly to the special offer page. There, you'll always find the latest and greatest working coupon codes, updated daily to ensure you get the best possible discount. Once you're on the page, just hit the copy button and you'll be taken to the plan selection. It doesn't matter where you're from, these deals work globally. For this demo, I will show you with the business plan. I'll select the business plan, and at checkout, you can see that I click on I have a coupon code and paste my coupon code right over here. You'll instantly see the savings applied to your total, which in this case will save you a hefty $53. This particular coupon is valid for 24-month, 12-month, and even shorter plans, so no matter the duration, you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting a great deal. It will work perfectly, so you do not have to worry about anything else. Just go check out the link in my description.